Hello, my name is Jonathan Orlowski. This is my final project for CS50. You can find me on GitHub as user JONORL. I think that's also my EDX username. I'm currently living in Kampala, the capital of Uganda, although I think originally I put that I was in London, which that was the case up until February, which is when I moved here. Today is the 5th of August, 2024, and I am going to do a bit of a demo for the web application that I've developed, which is called Mums and Dads Kampala Marketplace. So when I first moved here, I joined this WhatsApp group full of expats who were people who were coming and living in Kampala. And for the people who live in Kampala, they were trying to sell a lot of items. They usually advertise those items as in the form of attaching a PDF file or a Google Doc or an Excel, a Google Sheet or something of the like, listing all of the items that they wanted to sell. So I found that very onerous in terms of trying to find something specific, because then your only option was just to go through each one of the messages. There's all mixed messages about so many things. So you need to open each one of those attachments in hopes to find the item that you were looking for, and then fingers crossed that item hasn't been sold already, which in many cases happened to be the case. So originally I wanted to create like a PDF creator, and then I'm going to show you the full features of the website. So first things first, I'm going to register. I'm going to create something very simple. There we go. So it's very similar to finance. I got a flash message the same way. So here's the website. So before I was able to see the homepage with all the listed items, but now that I've registered, I managed to log in, I can now list new items and modify them, which I will show you in a minute. So yeah, I'm going just to add a few things, some random things. I said the duck 50, CS50 stack for $1. I can put that as Ugandan shillings or US dollars. Available now. And I'm going to attach an image, and then I'm going to add another item. I can add or remove that extra line. So I'm going to sell also Oreo cookies from CS50. And this will be sold for 10,000 shillings, available tomorrow. I'm just gonna also add a picture of that here, and now, as I said, I could export this to a PDF, and there we go, very nice. The name, the description, the price, currency, availability, and the image, as well as my contact details over here. But would it be nice just with that one extra button to list this item if I wanted to, and voila, I got a flash message saying that items were listed successfully. And now I can see these two rows, the items that I'm selling for anyone really with access to the website, which is right now anyone, or this is the testing stage, is really only me. Yeah, anybody in theory could get access to these and contact me. There's hyperlinks here for my phone number, hyperlinks for my email address, and yeah, a Google Map hyperlink if there is something, because these fields could be empty as well. Yeah, let's say I managed to sell the tag, so I want to modify this listing because I don't want people to contact me anymore about the tag. So I'm gonna mark this as sold, and then let's just say that I made a mistake. That shouldn't be the picture for the Oreo image for the Oreo cookies. So I'm gonna click here, save changes. I got this nice JavaScript message saying the changes have been saved successfully. Now if I go back to my home page, yeah, that image has been removed, and there's a strike through here because this item has now been sold. So back to the original idea, I can now look for whatever I want. Say I want to find the CS50 cat. There we go. If I click here, I can get access to the full image, not just the thumbnail. I can look for things based on dates, which happen to be the same date. Let me just clear the search and then just check for anything that's been posted on the 1st of August. Yeah, there we go. All of this has been posted on the 1st of August. I can do it by the user, say what admin has sold, was posted, all of these items. And then I can also exclude this by, yeah, I don't want to see this, the things have been sold already. So there we go. Now we can see all the items that are still available for selling. There's pagination included, which works quite well. Last but not least, I have this should be mobile compatible. It's not as nice as seeing a list, but you can see the exact same information in the form of cards. It should work perfectly well, the same as pagination here. So all the sort of features should work the same. There we go. Lastly, this is how my database looks like. It's based on SQLite 3. So you've got 3 tables, one for the users, one for the items that have been sold. And because when we are selling items, get rid of mobile. There you go. So when I'm listing a new item, I don't want to repeat this contact name, phone numbers, emails, because it's going to be the same. Going to be the same person selling these items. It's just the items themselves that's going to be quite different one from another. So that's why I decided to add a contact table so that to avoid repetition. So yeah, that's been my website. It's been an absolute pleasure trying to attending this course in distance. Thank you very much. Have a great day.